Changing your password on Swiggy is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your password easily. Step 1. Open the Swiggy app or website. Launch the Swiggy app on your mobile device or visit the Swiggy website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings. On the app, tap on the profile icon, usually located at the bottom right corner. On the website, look for your profile name or icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Select Change Password. In the Account Settings menu, find the option labeled Change Password or Security Settings. Click or tap on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter current and new password. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets any specified requirements, such as length or character types. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the required information, click or tap on the Save or Update button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully changed. Now you can log into your Swiggy account with your new password. Remember to keep your password secure and consider changing it regularly for added security.